Hello and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. In this lesson we will see how to manage and install packages using yum. First command we will have here is the yum update, and this command will update all of the packages on the system. I press enter. It will list for you all of the packages, and here it will tell you the packages that will be upgraded. There are 98, and here the packages that need to be installed. Here are 8. If you press on Y, it means yes. If you press on N, this means no. And this is the size of the packages. But here I'll press on N. Second command we have here is that if you want to update all packages but exclude one package that you don't want it to be updated, you'll type exclude and then equal sign and then the name of the package, say for example kernel, and then a star, and then the word update, and press enter. As you see here, there are only 97 packages and 7 that needs to be installed, and the size is a little bit smaller than the last time. That's because there is a package that we have excluded. I'll press on N. Of course you can update a single package by the command yum update, and then you type the name of the package. For example, I'll type the package grep, press enter. This will update the package, and as you can see here it says package grep will be updated. I'll press on Y and update this package. As you see here, the word complete, that the update is successful, and as you see here it has updated from 2633 to 263 and 4. Now if you want to install a package, you will type yum install and then the name of the package. I will install a package by the name jwhois and press enter, and press Y to complete the installation. It is completely installed, and if you want to remove a package you will type yum remove and then the name of the package. Press enter. It will ask you if you want to remove the package. As you see here, I'll press on Y, press enter. It's complete and the package has been removed. Okay, now we will have another command. It will be yum repo list, and this will list all of the repositories on the system. If I press enter, as you can see here is the repository ID and the repository name and its status. I have repositories here like the base, the extras, the RPM forge, the updates. There's another command that you can use here. It will be yum provides and then the name of the package. Or I'll try it on another package. Press enter. As you see here, it will display for you some description about the grep, some description here and some information about it. You can search for a word in a package. If I type yum, search for example unzip and press enter, this will search for me any package that has the word unzip in it. You can display some information about a package by the command yum info and type the name of the package. For example, here I'll type MySQL and press enter. It will display for you information like the name, the architecture, the version, the release, the size, and a description about the package. There is another command, it's yum clean all, and during its normal use, yum creates a cache of metadata and packages. This cache can take up a lot of space. The yum clean command allows you to clean up these files. So if I press enter, it will clean up all of those files. You can use another command here, it will be yum diplist. For example, I'll type the package MySQL, and this will show you which RPM should be installed before you install the MySQL package. And this could be useful if you want to install this package MySQL by using RPM. This will make you know the dependencies needed to install MySQL. If I press enter, okay, this may take some time. I will pause the video and then be back. Okay, now as you see, here are all of those are the dependencies of the MySQL. We have a list of all of the dependencies of MySQL. And of course, when you are using yum, you don't need to worry about those dependencies because it automatically installs them. You can list the installed packages by using yum list installed. I will pipe it through less, press enter, and as you go down you will see a list of all of the installed packages on your system. Okay, now let's add some of the most popular repositories. RPM vh, and I'll paste the link, and this is the SourceForge repository, and if you need those links you will find them in the notes. As you see here, I have it already installed. I will install the other repository, which is the EPEL. And install the third one, which will be the adding REMI repository. And I will add the fourth one, which will be adding the Cent Alt repository. Press enter. And I will add the fifth and last repository, which will be the Web Static repository. Okay, now I have added 5 of the most popular repositories. Let's see how can I delete a repository if I want. I will type rpm -qa, and then pipe grep rpm forge. For example, this is the repository that I would like to delete. Press enter, and here it will appear in front of me. Then I will type yum remove rpm forge, or you can just copy it from here until the last number in its version, paste, and then press enter. It's now removing the repository. I'll pause the video until it finishes. Okay, now it has removed the repository. If you want to be sure of its removal, you will repeat this command, press enter. I will try it in another way. Yum remove rpm forge without adding the version, press enter. Okay, it seems that I'll have to, let's try to add the full name. First I will grep on it, and then I will try removing it by adding its full name. As you can see, it worked. If I press on Y and press enter, this have removed the repository rpm forge. If I try to grep on it, it will not display for me anything. That means that it's successfully removed. And by that we have talked about how to manage uh, files and repositories and packages by the Yum. Thank you for watching.